Prevention of COVID-19. Now we are looking at most important thing in overall control and management of coronavirus disease throughout the planet. Prevention. In prevention, let's start with the most important and the basic thing, that is frequent hand washing. You have to remember, wash often with soap and water for minimum 20 seconds. Alcohol based sanitizer should be used in case soap and water is not available, and this alcohol based sanitizer should have at least 60% by volume consisting of alcohol. Avoid unnecessary touching of eyes, nose or mouth with unwashed hands. Similar to hand washing, another very important preventive measure for coronavirus disease is respiratory hygiene. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue when coughing or sneezing, which should then be disposed of immediately, or you can do it with a sleeve. This single measure will drastically cut down the chances of transmission of coronavirus from a active open case to a unsuspecting healthy person who comes in contact. Surgical mask should be used by those who may be infected. Avoid touching of eyes, nose or mouth with unwashed hands. Besides hand washing and respiratory hygiene, a very important preventive measure is self-isolation, self-quarantine. Where institutional facilities may or may not be available, self-isolation should be done at home. This is done for cases those who are diagnosed and those who are being suspected to have been infected. If you look at self-quarantine, this is generally recommended for those healthy looking contacts who have recently traveled to a country with widespread transmission, or those who have come in direct contact with someone who has been a diagnosed case of COVID-19. Fourth important preventive measure is social distancing. What is social distancing? It is all actions which are intended for infection control, where we try to slow down the disease by minimizing the close contact between different or various individuals. How this could be done? It could be done through quarantines, travel restrictions. Do not take unnecessary travel to parts of countries or region where coronavirus is spreading. Closing schools, shutting down workplaces, stadiums of sports, theaters and movie theaters, shopping centers, cinemas. Limit your travel locally also until and unless it is absolutely necessary. If you have to do it by taking specific precautions. Avoid crowded areas and physically distance yourself from sick individuals. And finally, vaccine research, which is going to hold hopefully a very big promise for prevention and control of this disease. It is going on. But in late February 2020, WHO did admit that they don't expect a vaccine to become available for the population of this planet in next 18 months. But on the positive side, if you see, around 30 vaccine candidates were in development phase as on early March 2020.